The most famous reindeer of all,
Charles.
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, had a very shiny...
Wish you a Merry Christmas to everyone. So winter is already started and it's a Christmas makeup look. So firstly I am going to use this. It's a ST Botanica का फेस सीरम. It's a totally option you guys. अगर आप चाहे तो इस स्टेप को स्किप भी कर सकते हो.
I'm dreaming in dreams bigger than me, taking my time, giving to me, paint my life into a mess.
And first thing will always be a moisturizer. Moisturizer is a must guys, which I use Bioderma favorite one. All the products links will be in description box. Definitely check them out.
Piece, coloring it how I want it to be. Won't
So primer today I am going to use this. It's a Rainy Bollywood filter primer.
stop till I
Next step will be foundation. I'll be using the Forever 52 foundation because Forever 52 is full coverage foundation. मैं यहाँ पे कोई भी medium coverage foundation use नहीं कर रही हूँ because I want glam look like a full coverage वाला. That's why I'm using Forever 52 foundation.
see what I want to see.
Next I am going to use Sugar Cosmetic palette bronzer and I am lightly contouring my nose.
I'm getting closer.
Next I am going to use a concealer and I'll be using this one. This is my Glam concealer. I am going to use a little bit of concealer in all the dark areas of my face. And then it's time to contouring your face now. Contouring is very important step. So for contouring I am going to use my Glam contour stick.
I'm picking up books to get inside the heads of the ones who happen to life instead of it happening to them. I wonder if I'll make a difference like that, even if it don't happen fast.
Now just set the base first. I'll be using Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. I am first going to set the areas around my eyes. So with powder brush, I am going to take a little bit of powder, dust it and start setting my base lightly with it. And next step will be eyebrows. I'll be using Maybelline Brow Gel.
I'm getting closer. I'm getting closer. Never lie. I stay in my height. Let the world follow behind. I know it's all how I make my mind.
Next I'll be using Maybelline brow pencil. Then I drop out of shape. Then I brush them upwards and fill out all the gaps. I am gonna start off by conceal my eyes. I am using the My Glam concealer and using some loose powder. I set just my crease area. Well done, nice primed eyelids ready.
You know just what you do to me. Play my emotions like a pair of puppet strings.
So for today's look, I decided to use the My Glam eyeshadow palette. I was started off with this shade and this is going to be our crease color.
Did it ever occur to you my heart's more than a toy? Please go easy on me, babe. Send message after message, forward my calls. Next day you hit me back like nothing happened at all. What about all the
I am gonna darken up my crease now. I would take some of this shade right here. I am using little bit more flat brush for this still fluffy but kind of flat, okay?
things you used to say to me? This ain't the way it's supposed to be, and you know.
So I am gonna take this light pinkish shade from the palette and I'll apply it all over my eyelid.
I wouldn't do that to you, you know. I wouldn't treat you that way, no. I've been running, can't catch up. Oh love, what I won't do. Oh, you got me chasing waterfalls. Oh, you got me.
To the next level, the sparkly stuff in the center of the eyelid, that will change the look so much. You can use whatever you want. You can even use glitter if you want. But I'm gonna go with some loose sparkly highlighter eyeshadow. And of course, if I'm gonna use the Swiss Beauty highlighter.
Chasing waterfalls. All of the times I've been there, times I came through. I'd meet you anywhere if it brought me closer to you.
So I'm gonna take this shade and I'll place that in the outer corner of my eyes.
Distance is killing me, you make it so hard. Won't you let me love you, babe? Used to be optimistic, these days I just don't know. Pick a fence in the valley, I hope it's losing its hold. You know them other girls won't love you like I do. Can't afford to give up on you. And you know I wouldn't do that to you. You know I wouldn't treat you that way, no.
Next I am going to use Mamaearth eyeliner shade black.
I've been running, can't catch up. Oh love, what I won't do. Oh, you got me chasing waterfalls. Oh, you got me chasing waterfalls.
And now next step will be mascara. I'll be using Lakme mascara. Okay, just little bit, zyada heavy nahi, to give nice natural look. This gives your eyes looks more lighter and more beautiful.
Oh, 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 you've got me chasing waterfalls. Oh, Oh, you got.
And the next step will be blush. I love peachy blushes. You all know I always tell you guys ki of the peachy one, they look so good, special in daytime.
Chasing waterfalls. Oh, you got me chasing waterfalls. Oh, you got me chasing waterfalls. You're sick of my madness. Don't you tell.
Also, I added highlighter. I'll be using Swiss Beauty Insta Glow highlighter. I love highlighter, you all know.
Tell me what I supposed to do. You're better off without me. Don't you tell me what I supposed to do. When I'm walking on the streets half naked, it's part of me, it's part of me. When I'm making my bright makeup, it's part of me, it's part of me. When you're crushing all my dreams and you're making me so full, get out of my life. I know what I'm supposed to do. When you're crushing all my dreams and you're making me so full.
Now next for a lip liner, I'll be using Swiss Beauty lip liner shade Hot Red.
I know what I'm supposed to do. I know what I'm supposed to do. Supposed to do.
Lastly, I am going to use Manish Malhotra Pop Exo lipstick shade red.
Bright makeup. I know what I'm supposed to do. You're sick of my madness. Don't you tell me what I supposed to do. Better off without me. Don't you tell me what I supposed to.
And yeah, that's it. This is the final classic Christmas makeup look. If you guys enjoy watching this video, so please give me a big thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Share with your friends and family. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new YouTube video in my channel. And yeah, also follow me on my Instagram, Facebook and Twitter account. Link will be in description box, so check them out.